Residents of Kireka and surrounding areas were treated to a vibrant display of culture as the Bamasaba community gathered for the Imbalu ritual this weekend. Upon arrival, preparations for the final circumcision ceremony were underway. We observed the crucial moment when the candidate, a 17-year-old named Imbalu, shared a special meal with his maternal relatives. Following this, Kutosi was marked with yeast to distinguish him from the crowd. He was then paraded around the village by attendees, signaling his readiness for the circumcision. As is customary, Kutosi was accompanied by Kadodi, a traditional dance performed during the ceremony. At the circumcision site, the surgeon and Kutosi's father prepared for the procedure. People from all walks of life gathered, with some even finding vantage points on rooftops to witness this significant event. At around 5:30 p.m, Kutosi underwent the circumcision. Kutosi showed great bravery and remained still throughout the procedure.
I have to tell all parents outside there and those in Kampala to please copy and do the same. Just promote the show, promote Bamasaba land. Let us exercise our culture everywhere.
Our gisu ekimukora je kiri kubanga kyakalisa naye n'abatali bagisu mbagamba mugende munange babatayirire.
His courage was soon rewarded as people flocked to offer him gifts. We spoke with Kutosi's father, 40-year-old Peter Washaki, who expressed his immense joy over his son's successful initiation. This year marks the 6th since the Kireka-based Bamasaba began using this site for their Imbalu rituals. Mbuya Anthony, one of the Bamasaba leaders in the area, explained that this initiative helps those who cannot travel back to Masaba land to participate in the ritual. The community also collaborates through various associations, including cash round groups, which have strengthened their unity. Mbuya refuted claims that candidates are circumcised against their will through these initiatives. Francis Musamali, one of the elders as a key figure behind these initiatives, noted that ritual provides a platform for educating and preparing young men for adulthood. After the ceremony, the community celebrated Kutosi's achievement in a festively decorated bar, enjoying local brew, kamarwa, and entertainment. Imbalu is a rite of passage for male adolescents, initiating boys aged 14 to 18 into manhood. This ritual is held every even year.